Current temperature outside right now, we're sitting at 83 degrees and we've got a wind out of the southeast at about 15. So yeah, a little breezy out there. The low this morning was 71. That's above average. And looking at the record lows and the record highs, boy, it was really warm on this date back in 1996. 98 is the record high. Okay, so here's what you can expect this evening if you're going out. Temperatures in the 80s for the most part. I do think we'll hit 78 at 9 o'clock. And then overnight, temperatures in the 70s. We should see an overnight low somewhere in the lower 70s, lots of clouds. And again, tomorrow morning, I think we'll have some drizzle around. Temperature 83. Look at Floresville, though, with a little bit of some sunshine today, 87. Pleasanton, 87. But where it was really cloudy in the hill country, temperatures there in the 70s. And you just see that breeze off of the Gulf of Mexico. Winds right now at 17 miles per hour. Those are the sustained winds, gust a little bit stronger than that. All right, tomorrow morning, we'll start off in the 70s. High tomorrow afternoon, I think we'll reach the low to mid 80s. I'm going to go about 84, 85 for a high. Notice how it's a lot cooler here in the around the Rocky Mountains. Whenever we look at the upper level pattern, when you have a trough like this, it's usually cooler. Okay, so here's what I think is going to happen over the next couple of days. There is no doubt that we'll be very unstable, but I think the cap is going to be very strong, and I don't think any disturbances coming our way will really give us a chance for thunderstorms. I'm going to throw in a slight chance. So what I think mainly is going to happen is what's been happening lately with drizzle in the mornings, lots of clouds, and maybe a sprinkle in the afternoon. I think it's the best we're going to do. Now, up in North Texas and Oklahoma, no doubt they will see some thunderstorms, and those will be severe. I think Saturday, just a very slim chance. Again, up in North Texas, Oklahoma, different story. And then finally, I think Saturday night into Sunday morning, we'll have a chance for some storms, and some of those could be strong. So tomorrow morning, we're in the lower 70s. Tomorrow could be a thunderstorm for eastern counties. I think that computer model is just being a little hopeful, I think. High temperatures in the mid 80s, and we'll have mostly cloudy skies. Storm Prediction Center for tomorrow does have us under a very slight risk for severe storms, but again, the cap is going to be very strong. And then Saturday night into Sunday morning, that's when I think we'll have a little bit better chance of seeing some strong storms rolling in. All right, the aquifer, 637.9, went down about a half a foot. Pollen count, mold's light, pecan is light. Everything is light. All right, here's your forecast for today, or for the rest of tonight, 72. Tomorrow, 85. Saturday, I think 85, just 20% chance of storms. Better chance as we head into Sunday morning, high at 82, and then a 30% chance of storms on Monday. Now, the storms Sunday and Monday, they could be strong, and then we're in the mid 80s with a slight chance for rain Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.